Okay, so in today's topic, we're going to study about addition of integers. So there are two rules coming under addition of integers. The first rule, that is rule number 1. Okay, that is we need to add two integers having the same signs. In that case, what do we do? Okay, we're going to check that. Okay, we have to add. We're doing addition here. So first example, plus 15, this is one integer, okay, and plus 8, which is another integer. We need to add. The operation is add. So the answer, how would it be? And means addition. Okay, so this plus 15, we're writing it here. And means addition. So plus 8, that is what we are doing here. Okay, addition of two integers. Okay, addition of two integers having the same sign. Here plus, the 15 is having the sign plus, 8 is having the sign plus. So it's a common sign plus. Yeah. So in this case, what do? We'll simply add these two numbers, 15 and 8. So what is 15 plus 8? The answer is 23. Yeah. So we'll simply add the two integers, okay, and we got the answer 23, that we are writing it here, and then see which is the common sign. 15 is having plus, 8 is also having plus, so the common sign is plus. So our answer is plus 23. Simple. Next, let's see another example. Okay, minus 8 and minus 5. So here you can see this is again addition of two integers having the same sign. See, 8 is having the sign minus, 5 is also having this sign minus. So here which rule we are going to apply? We'll simply write it again. And means plus, yeah, minus 5. So this means addition of two integers having the same sign, minus. Here the same sign or the common sign is minus. So as we did previously, we're simply adding these two numbers, that is 8 and 5. We'll simply add without considering the sign. Here also we did not consider the sign. We simply added 15 and 8. Here also we're simply adding 8 and 5. So what is the answer? 13. Okay, so this 13 we are writing it here. Okay, and then see next step. It's not over. We are going to see which is that common sign for 8 and 5. Minus 8 and minus 5. So minus is the common sign. So our answer is minus 13. Understood? Here the common sign was plus. So for 15 it was plus, and for 8 also it was plus. So that's why we put the common sign as plus. But here the common sign is minus, because for 8 is also minus, for 5 also it is minus. So we put the common sign as minus. So simple. The rule 1 means when it comes addition of two integers having the same sign, we'll simply add the integers without considering the sign. Okay, simply add the integers and then put the common sign. Again here the same rule applies. Simply add the two integers and then put the common sign. Here the common sign is minus, here the common sign is plus. That's the only difference. Okay, next is rule 2. So in rule 2 again addition comes, but what is the rule? Addition of two integers having one positive integer and one negative integer. Okay, see, add, the question is 15 and means of course it is plus, then minus 7. So the operation is to add here because and is there. So in this case here, what's the difference from previous things? Previously we got two integers having the same sign, yeah, but here you see 15 is having the sign plus, see, and 7 is having the sign minus. See, no sign means it's actually plus, okay, because 15 is not having any sign, it simply means it's plus. Okay, so here you see 15 is having the sign plus and 7 is having the sign minus. So it is addition of two integers having different signs. Okay, this is rule 2. What do? Simply write this plus 15 and means plus, then minus 7, putting in bracket. Okay, now what do? We are looking into these things and knowing that this is addition of two integers having different sign. What is the rule? We will do subtraction. Okay, 15 and 7. Take the number 15, take the number 7. We're simply subtracting it. Okay, what is the answer? 8. So we got the answer 8. That 8 we are writing it here, and then seeing 15 or 7 is big. 15, of course 15 is big. Not considering the sign here, okay? 15 or 7 is big, 15 is big. So what is the sign of 15 here? Plus. So put the sign plus 8. So plus 8 is the answer. So do not get confused. This is rule 2. In rule 1 we studied addition of two integers having the same sign. There we did addition and then putting the common sign. But here in rule 2, it is addition of two integers having different signs. One is plus and one is minus. One is a positive integer and one is a negative integer. In that case, what do? The operation is subtraction. Okay, it's different from the rule 1. It is subtraction. Simply subtract 15 and 7. Do not consider the sign for now. Right now, just subtract 15 and 7 and you got the answer as 8. Then see to the number, which is the bigger number, 15 or 7. Simply consider the numbers. No need to consider the sign right now. 15 or 7 is big, 15 is big. So 15, the sign of 15 is plus. So the answer will be plus 8. Simple. Again, one more example we'll do. So it will be clear. Minus 13. Okay, minus 13 is one integer and 8 is another integer. So here you can see one integer is having the sign minus. Then this and means the operation is addition. Okay, and then 8. 8 is another integer. What is the sign of 8? Nothing is mentioned. Nothing is mentioned implies it is plus 8. Okay, simply a number means it's actually a positive number. Okay, so 8 has no sign here. It simply means it's plus 8. Okay, so then this minus 13 we are writing it as such, and this plus 8 simply means it's plus 8. Now look to the equation. One is a negative integer, other is a positive integer. The operation is addition. Yeah, so what do? One is positive, one is negative. What do? Subtraction. So 13, simply take the two numbers 13 and 8 without considering the sign. 13 and 8. Yeah, 13 and 8, simply subtract them. What is the answer? 5. So this 5 we are writing it here, then looking into the equation and seeing which was the largest number, 8 or 13. 13 is the largest number. Now see what is the sign of 13. It is negative. So the answer will be minus 5. Okay, so now we'll simply brush up rule 1 and rule 2. Rule 1 was addition of two integers having the same sign, plus plus. Addition of two integers having the same sign, minus minus. What did we do? We did addition and then put the common sign. Here it was plus, here it was minus. Okay, whereas in rule 2 it was addition of two integers having the different sign, that is one is positive, one is negative. What did we do? Subtraction. And then looking which number was the greatest. 15. Here 15 is the greatest. 15 or 7 is greater, 15 is the greatest, so its sign is plus. Here 13 and 8, 13 is the greatest number and its sign is negative, so negative. Simple. Okay, so now as a homework, please do these 3 questions. That is plus 4 and plus 2. The operation is addition. Okay, plus 4 and plus 2. Then minus 7 and minus 2. 6 and minus 4. Comment down the answer below. See you in the next video. Thank you.